wandering about for a bit, but I am going to get some tea on now. Look at that. Unbelievable. Well, I think it's time to get in the tent. I noticed my microphone went a bit dodgy. I'm just testing to see if that's made it better. I don't know what happened but at least I noticed, I suppose. Don't buy that MEL microphone. It's absolute garbage. I dropped the other one and it started making that fuzzy sound, but I hadn't done anything to this and it started making the fuzzy sound, and even after I unplugged it, it was doing the same thing. So don't buy it, it's trash. This is absolutely amazing. I know you guys can't see it, but I'm looking up and I can see millions of stars. I just saw a shooting star, like a proper meteor. Seriously, it was mental. It had I was just looking out of there and there's like loads of stars that are just proper moving like that, like proper fast, which is ace. Like, I wish you could see the stars how I can see them. This camera's shit at night anyway. But yeah, I was just looking up like that and one just streaked down and it was quite big. Like, I don't know, in like the night sky it'd be like size of like a 5p or something, and it was like proper orange and it just went and then just burnt out. That is crazy. That's the first time I've ever seen anything like that. This is amazing. I know I sound proper weird, but that was just unbelievable. You can't see any of it. All you can see is the moon. There's millions of stars. I swear to God though, there's a hell of a lot of them what are actually moving, like fast, and they're not planes. This is where I end up being a UFO nut, innit? Literally I can see three what are all just moving like proper fast, just horizontally like that. That is so crazy. There's one right above 10 and it's just going fast. Mate, I can totally see why people get into UFOs. That's nuts. I can't get over that. Seriously, I'm not bullshitting you, that is mental. Anyway, there's not much else I can film now because it's just pitch black. You can't see out outside at tent. So I'm just gonna jump in bag, listen to some podcasts. Can you tell I'm listening? I swear I heard something then. I'm doing better than I thought I would. But I've not heard any noises yet, so apart from them birds. So yeah, I'm going to jump in my bag, listen to a few podcasts, and see you in the morning if I don't get abducted by aliens. Don't say that. Night. Morning. I tell you what, it is cold this morning. And these little babies were an absolute lifesaver. Don't know if I'd have made it without them. And I need to put my other glove on, my hands are freezing. Yeah, I've got one in each glove, one in each sock. I can still feel the heat in the ones in my gloves, but the ones in my feet I can't really feel the heat, but I know that they are working because otherwise my feet would just be, I won't have any toes left. So last night was pretty good actually. I couldn't get comfortable. I slept for about maybe 10 minutes. That's how it goes, isn't it? It's not bad for my first well camp. Maybe next time I'll get 20 minutes. Let's go have a look at this sunrise then. Pretty much packed up, more or less. Let's go have a look. Don't look real, that does it? Yes. It is freezing this morning. Let's get a brew on, I think. See, it was a cold one last night. I'll just get a few photographs. I did it. cinnamon bun latte. Cheers. One cloud in the sky. How lucky am I? Ow, teeth. Oh, cinnamon bun latte. How posh am I? First ever wild camp. Right, I'm gonna get sorted out and then I can sort of relax again, if you know what I mean. I'm a bit on edge, like, for when sun fully comes up. I don't want some farmer or something to come up here. Although I don't know what they're farming up here, unless it's tufts of grass. Right, I'm all packed up. Tell you what, those Osprey bags are brilliant. I know they're expensive, but they're worth every penny in my eyes. Everything just feels really robust. Like, I've absolutely rammed the hell out of that thing. None at zips were snagging, and you can like cinch it down all over the place and like compress stuff. And like, even when you're really stretching the hell out of stuff, all the material seems just solid. There she is, look. Brilliant bag. And you can even attach your hammer to outside of it, so that you look like you've just climbed Everest. Leave no trace. This is where I camped last night. No trace left whatsoever. That's not litter, it's just a bit of frost. Tell you what, I'm glad that it's all downhill from here. We'll see how hard it is though. It might still be hard going downhill with a pack like that. Watch me get home and weigh it and it's like 5 kg or something. Look at it. Well, I've absolutely loved every minute of that. I can't believe I saw that shooting star. You probably like, it was like right over there and it just came down. It like, to the camera it was probably about that big, and it just went like that and streaked. It had a big yellow trail behind, orange trail behind it, and it just like fizzled out to naught and disappeared. I wish someone were here to see it with me, do you know what I mean? Although it is nice to get a bit of solitude every now and again, innit? Right then, I best put this bag on. I'm going to take my time, wander down to the car, and I'm not in any rush, don't have any plans today, so might stop and sit a few times, like, 'cause there's no one about. It's quite unusual to be up here at this time of day. So thanks for joining me on this adventure. I think it went really well. I'll definitely be doing another one. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time. Right, that's enough of that. One's enough for anyone, isn't it? Definitely is for me. Stegosaurus ain't wild. If anyone saw me doing that. Came up that last night, didn't look that steep, but it is, mate. Oh.